All right, day 2. We still have a little bit more mileage to tax on to break these things in. All right, first legitimate pull. Oh my God. Oh my God. There is just so many people on the side of the road checking their shit.
Think of a rock truck, but all the rocks are on the road.
Yeah.
So if you want, imagine this with the size of a grapefruit.
You got tired. This is crazy. Whatever happened back there is crazy. What's up?
I'm with them. It's a nuclear plant.
Oh, shit.
It's an actual nuclear plant.
Yeah, we're not allowed there.
No, we're not allowed to be there.
Yeah, so front of our house is going to be right where we're standing, essentially.
Right here?
Yep.
Out this way.
Yeah, so people are going to be coming in through there. They're going to park all out there.
Here.
Yep, and then they're going to, yep. From right here, lines are going to be right over here. And then they line up and go out.
Sick.
And then tech usually sets up right over there where the cars are.
So our fleet's going to be over here.
Mm-hmm.
This is a nice little like in, out.
Mm-hmm. And then a classroom's going to be inside the media center. Yeah. No, this is probably where we're going to have like lunch and stuff like that. Private groups. And then in here.
Sick.
Welcome to Charlotte Motor Speedway.
Beautiful track.
Land of the fast, and America's home for racing.
All right, Brandon's here. Immediately took the reins of the F8 green Charger. I don't know what we're doing.
I'm gonna try not to get kicked out of CMS, or maybe.
Oh sh. Pretty good.
Not too bad.
For all seasons?
Can I have it, Brian? Dude. Is it still in 500?
No, it's got the red key.
I just want to take her home. You ready? I bet we
Let go.
beat the plane back. I love it. I love this thing.
All right, so we made it to Charlotte. Brian and Wilson are already got the cars up in the air. All the wheels are off. They are changing pads, fluid. It was super rad to see the crew like kind of roll in and check out the new cars.
Heated. Oh my God!
Trouble it
Heated
comes and
seat. Let's
goes.
go!
Trouble it flies away, and I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Trouble it knows my name. Trouble knows where I stay, and I'm living. Yes, I'm living. Tell me everything.
They really enjoy the new Hellcats.
Yeah, everybody loves it, especially Robbie, who already loved the Challenger Widebody. And so my first reaction, or at least what I was looking forward to seeing her reaction, is like, hey, guess what we got? A couple of new Widebody Hellcats,
Yeah,
Hellcat Widebody stuff.
She got in, started up, revved it. Yeah, she loved it. Everybody loves these things.
We'll include a little clip here.
Tragedy on its way. If tragedy came today,
Oh my God!
we keep on.
Okay, where are the keys?
Ain't it?
Can I start it?
Start it, rev it. Wait. So we'll get the girls' reactions and impressions of the new Hellcats. You guys want to?
So amazing.
Here, turn this way. What do you guys think about the new Hellcats?
We love them. We love them.
Absolutely love them all life. It's a Hellcat.
That color looks sick. Okay, sick on this Hellcat. I love this. All we're listening is to the side. Okay, can't say anything bad because you know my mouth is just gonna wander. But no, I like this so much.
You guys are matching.
Robbie, what do you think? I know you love Hellcats.
Oh, I absolutely love Hellcats. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be a great addition. Great addition.
Which one's your favorite?
The green one.
The green?
Yes. I actually don't like the color green at all, but
It's pretty good green, actually.
yeah,
Like a forest green.
It reminds me of the Incredible Hulk. So
Yeah.
yeah, Hulk is my favorite. So.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite?
I like this
The green? The green one's like the...
It's a showstopper. I mean, this is just like there's so many silver cars. Like we have the silver Porsche, we have the silver Ferrari. We have and that green AMG.
It's cool to see like the crew kind of like set everything up.
All these, I believe they'll be gone, but so this is typically where they all set up, right? All shop. We usually occupy this whole area, and in front of house we can see all over there. As you can see, everybody's working hard. We're trying to look busy. We'll check in. Hi, how are you? Welcome. What are you driving today? And they put you in line. Get a helmet. Where everybody gets set up to drive. And that's Lindsay. Hi, Lindsay.
So this is kind of like the calm before the storm. So from factory, these Hellcats come with air deflectors that aren't installed at the dealership? Or
Correct.
They probably were supposed to install these?
Yes and no.
So
the C8s had the same thing but different style, and the dealer can install them, or you can have them installed later.
Yeah.
Like the Z51 package has the Aero package, and it has rear brake ducting. That's pretty much what this is also doing, deflector and brake ducting combination.
So where does this get installed? On the control arm?
It gets installed on the control arm, like that. There you go. So you have the air coming through the front of the front corner grille, through the radiator, through the vent for brake cooling, and then also part of the air from the front, from just the front end, getting moved throughout the bumper and everything underneath, will end up hitting the deflector, and in theory, the air would then hit off and then get shot to the rotor for helping the
for cooling.
of the brakes. Yeah.
So it's deflecting the air to the rotor.
For cooling.
bedding in the pads and making sure everything is copacetic for tomorrow. And Ed's in the SS, Travis is in the 488, and Brandon's in the 570. How'd they do?
Great. They stopped. I'm still alive.
Or just the power itself is the torque curve, is just having that
Earlier.
all that torque there.
It's earlier.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to pull you out of the corners. It handles, you know, it handles. It handles okay. It's pretty good for what it is with all the weight.
It's a tough track to do that on.
Yeah, it's a heavy car. It's a small, tight track, big, heavy car. So I like it. The power's there. In this mode, you can feel the tires kind of want to break loose.
Mm-hmm.
You could just feel it.
So we're staying there.
Yeah, we're staying there. We're staying there.
Yeah, because this is smaller and tighter, slower, and anything bigger
Yeah.
or faster is going to be worse.
And that's just rolling onto the throttle too. So, like a quick stab at it, I'm sure it would break them loose. But I mean, we've got instructors driving.
So we're testing this. This one's doing it. We don't know if it's a programming issue or if it's this one specifically. But right now we're in 707. Feel it? Isn't that crazy?